Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to add someone or add friends on Messenger. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap on your Messenger app, and once you tap on the Messenger app, you will be redirected to this kind of interface. So simply tap on search option, and there you need to now type in a name you want to add. Hit on the add friend icon and a friend request will be sent to that person, so simply go and wait for the person to confirm your request. Once they accept your friend request, you can simply add anyone that way on your Messenger, as they will be mutual on your Facebook as well. So this is how you add someone on Messenger app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.